Guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In today's video we are going to answer a daily quiz for ARI Wallet. So let's answer it together with you. So let's click on testnet. Since we are on testnet, so let's claim our daily check-in, which will get 30 ARI. So congratulations, we have been getting a 30 ARI. So let's scroll down for a quiz. Okay. So the question of the day is, what is the name of Ethereum recent measure of grade? So without making the video to be long, the question here is number 2, which is B. So congratulations, we have been getting a correct answer. So here it is. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever